Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast having a play in paint again. Yeah, just kiss and roll with it. That's absolutely what I'm going to do today. I want to do something really bright and fun, and maybe for my granddaughter's room, my little granddaughter, for her bedroom, so something really bright and uplifting. So look at my bright colours. I'm going to do it in something a little bit of a different composition to what I've done in the last few weeks. So I'm just going to play with paints merrily, go ahead in the bright colours and give it some fun embellishments at the end after I've done the colourful bits. So please enjoy, relax, and it might give you some ideas of your own that you might like to try and come up with some other ideas to actually, do this, make your own spin on it. Not do it the same, but put your own spin to it. So I'll let you watch along and jump in if I feel I need to. But yes, I'm using the lovely bright and vibrant global paints. These ones are fluoro. And I'm mixing them with the 70/30 of the global clear. So there's a link in the description box underneath the video that, well, there is an explanation of how I mix my paints. There's also a link to the video that shows you me mixing them, and there's also a link to the supplier where I get all my online stuff, which is a worldwide online supplier. So that's all that there. So I'll let you relax and watch the joy happening. Okay, I've layered all those delicious colours. So what I'm doing now is I have pre-mixed in that container that you just saw me for my swipe colour some berry delicious colour. It's my custom colour, just with Floetrol only. And by golly, look at those cells appear. Wowzers trousers, pretty amazing. The lace, it's kind of a different kind of cell. It's a real lacy cell that sort of jumps out at you. I do have some close-up footage at the end of this particular part, so you can actually see the lovely laciness that's happening in there. Can't quite see it on this camera, unfortunately, but yeah, we'll just continue on with it, see what we get. So just giving it a whiz over with my Wonder Wand, the heat gun, so it don't burst any bubbles, and it obviously sometimes helps cells to come up as well. I am getting a few of those kind of funny round circly cells, which don't look too attractive to me. But of course, they're giving it a little bit of balloon kissing and hopefully bring up some loveliness in it. But because there's a lot of white, as you see at the top part, I'll need to transfer some colour from the balloon kisses in the colourful part below up to the more blander white. But the kisses are just becoming beautiful, so I'm just going to continue on and embellish this with balloon kissing. So what I'm going to do is allow this to fully dry, and I'm just going to set it on my desk and just play with embellishment, with drawing with Posca pens on it, embellishing it with some butterflies. As you will now see, this was my end result of just playing with it. We're kind of making like a disc effect and some balloon effects and putting some butterflies and embellishments in there. Had a lot of fun with it, and I definitely think it's going to go on my granddaughter's wall because she just absolutely loves looking at colourful things. So she's got a lot to look at in there with some stars and some shiny stars, as well as the balloon embellishment and beautiful butterflies. So I've set them all in there, and I will give it a coat, just pour a coat of resin over the whole top to set everything. Hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you all again tomorrow.